Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off microphone on iPhone. So for you to do that, you have to open your settings app, then scroll the row down and click on privacy and security. Once you do that, then you click on microphone. So right here you have the list of the application that have access to your microphone on your device, and if you want to turn off any particular application that have access to your microphone, just make sure you toggle off this button right in front of the application. For example, this is COD, which is Call of Duty. It definitely used to have access to my microphone because the game has in-app voice that will give access to people to talk or communicate during the phone. And if you don't want that to happen, you want people to track you through using your microphone, you can just easily toggle it off. And also I have other application, I have other apps on this device which is using my microphone, like this: Messenger, Snapchat, Telegram, TikTok, and some other. And if you don't want them to have access to my microphone, just simply turn it off. If I find video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.